Think back to the first time you used a virtual assistant or a chatbot. You typed a question or a command, and in return, you got a straightforward answer. Perhaps the assistant told you the weather, explained a fact, or echoed a suggested response. This type of AI, focused mainly on chatting, has defined much of our experience with artificial intelligence so far. But something is changing. Enter Agentic AI, a new concept that turns AI from a passive responder into an active doer. Imagine you need to plan a business trip. You want to compare airfare, book a hotel, rent a car, and maybe reserve a restaurant for a client dinner. With classic chat-based AI, you would get links, suggestions, or simple instructions. But with Agentic AI, you can delegate the entire workflow, plan my business trip to San Francisco next week. The AI agent logs into airline sites, finds the right tickets, fills out your preferences, books your hotel, and even adds events to your calendar. This is the shift from chatting to doing. Instead of siloed information, you get actions, coordinated steps, and results that matter. But how does this work? At the core, an AI agent is not just an advanced chatbot, but a system with goal-oriented behaviors. Think of it like a digital personal assistant, capable not just of generating text, but of navigating the web, interacting with apps and services, processing information, and making decisions to accomplish a suite of tasks you assign. Agentic AI operates by breaking up complex instructions into steps, analyzing what needs to be done, and taking one action after another, often searching for intermediate solutions along the way. For instance, if you ask it to build a budget app for my expenses, the agent doesn't just suggest code snippets, but could actually write the code, test it, and deliver a working prototype. One example of agentic behavior is web browsing. Say you task an AI with find me the top 3 laptops for graphic design under $1,500 and order the best one. The agent searches the web, compares reviews, checks inventory, and can even place the order. Another example, automation in the workplace. Need to routinely pull sales reports, summarize feedback from customer emails, update a spreadsheet, and email a summary to a manager? An agentic AI can take over and execute this routine for you, handling tasks as if it were a skilled assistant. Why is this possible now? Recent advances in AI training, improved abilities to understand complex language commands, and new connections to other software and online tools mean that AI can not only understand what you want, but can also figure out how to get it done. But with new capabilities come new concerns. Giving an agentic AI access to your accounts or allowing it to act on your behalf requires strong safeguards. Privacy, control, and transparency matter. Users need to see and approve its actions and have the ability to set boundaries. The potential is enormous. Agentic AI could take productivity to new levels, automate repetitive tasks, and augment what we can do at work and home. It can search, process, decide, and execute, not just advise. In summary, the era of agentic AI is about moving past AI that only chats to AI that delivers outcomes and acts for you. From booking your travel and finding the perfect laptop to building custom apps and automating workflows, AI is transitioning from a box you talk to into an independent, capable system ready to do the work for you. Welcome to a future where AI doesn't just answer, but acts.